So you can see this is the acute. This apostrophe in I you can create by this method. So how to create this? For doing this, you must go to your computer keyboard and open the Microsoft Word, and after that you can see this is the control key. So you must press one of your finger in this control key. Then you must also press this apostrophe, this key also you must press. So you must press these two keys at the same time, the control key and these two keys you press at the same time. After that release the finger, then simply press this I key, and you can see that this will be the result. And suppose if you want to create a capital, then you must turn on the caps lock. You must turn on the caps lock. Then again the same, that is the press this these two keys, control key and this, you must press these two keys, and after that you press this I key, and you can see this will be the result. For this video, see for my video, subscribe.